this is Hiril from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. I'm back with another fun project to create for Craftreat. So this is a time of festive season, and in a month we'll be close to Diwali. So I was just thinking that let's make something handmade. Basically, in Diwali and New Year, we usually give out hampers, like gift hampers, gift boxes to our relatives, friends and all. So I was just thinking, let's make something handmade and give it to them. So I'll be showing you how I created this hamper using cardstock and Craftreat pattern papers, Ethnic India. These are versatile and perfect for festive season, especially for Diwali. So let's make it. So first I'm taking a piece of white cardstock that measures 8.5 by 8.5. So now let's make a box out of it. Now this is a square, so it doesn't matter which side you put up on it. Make sure you align it properly. And I want the width of my box to be 1 3/4. That would be enough, I guess. So let's do 1 3/4. One and 3/4, 1 3/4, and 1 3/4. So this is our size of the box. And let's fold it. Now let's cut this part here. So now what we have to do is we have to paste it here, here, and like this. This is our box. So let's do that. And before that, we will paste our pattern papers in here, all the sides and here. Now I'm taking these 2 pattern papers for the inner box. So now I have taken 4 of that piece and scored it in middle. So this measures 3.5 by 5. So it will be little less than 3.5 by 5, or very little less. And then score it in the middle. All 4 pieces. And this middle piece is 5 by 5, a little less. So it'll be like I will show you in here. Like this. So this is how you will cut all your pattern papers. And now let's fold this and paste it here. Now take 2 pieces of cardstock that measures 6.25 by 6.25, 2 pieces, and it's sturdy. It's 110 pounds. So 6.25 by 6.25 square. I have already applied double-sided tape to save time. And then the third piece, which measures 6.25 by 1.75, which is the width of this box. 1.75. And then the base is 17.5 by 8.5 inches. This is 65-pound cardstock. So yeah, let's start. So I'm taking this piece, aligning it to make the base. Leave a little gap in here just to fold the box. And that's it. And then again leave the same amount of gap in here, and then put this third piece. So this is what you get. Now let's paste everything together.